Max, would you like to go on a bike ride with them?
No, he wants to be in the video.
Okay.
Thought you were gonna cut me out.
Hey Max, you can't share with your sister? Share the love. That's
No, I already gave her 5.
go. You should go bring her back and
No, she likes back rides.
Okay.
And I was the one who would on a YouTube channel.
So these are actually newer shoes. These were given to me as a gift by my buddy Alex. So the Lunar Force.
How many of these are gifts?
Quite a bit. So one side red, one side's blue. I wish I knew more about the shoe. I'm gonna look it up. Like I said, this was a gift, and it never fit me because by then I grew out of an 8 into an 8.5, 9.
Ooh.
you hit puberty.
Yeah, I was 5'1" at junior prom. No joke.
Oh. Wait, how hard puberty? Like he's growing mustaches completely.
Well, look at him now.
Yeah, it's the same. Well, not really. He used to.
So
It's like when you whack yourself.
Nike does this a lot, where
That's a
they take
crazy.
basketball shoes.
That's a comfy looking shoe.
So this is very much like, it reminds me
Dude.
of that Hirachi 2K3, right?
Those
That
look
came out in
really, really
2003.
good.
But
These-
they make it into a streetwear shoe. So, hey Max,
Yeah.
you know in our shoe thing, the white drawer,
Yes.
I have my high tops there that are white and brown. Can you bring them out?
What white drawer?
The one in the front door where we keep our shoes. Please. There's a white and brown pair that look like this, but white and brown.
That's 3.
No, just you need a chance to get it. So yeah, right, like you could totally rock these today.
No, these look good. These look really good.
And I mean, I just love how they're Velcro. So from a streetwear perspective, they do a really good job.
Do they actually? Okay.
Oh, it's just
I like shoes that you can slip into. There's no like lacing up. Yeah, that's a good looking shoe.
These are really dope. And the pair, if everybody remembers when they came out with the Air Max Flight 2K3s, which were basketball shoes, and I'm sure I have a pair somewhere.
I got him. I brought them.
That's a good looking shoe too.
That's a dope shoe. That's one of my favorite shoes.
There's that.
Here's my problem with the shoe. It's too small for me now. It used to fit. Fly Stepper 2K3, size 8.5. So we're gonna keep these on the side for a second.
I was doing it.
So in 2003, these came out after 2003, but in 2003, the Zoom Flight came back. You can tell this box was never open. And they made a basketball shoe, which was a Zoom Flight. And it had kind of these holes, right? So you have the Flight. And for those who don't know the Flight logo, right? So this is where Nike, we were talking about Nike and how they stand the test of, there's a 5 dots, stand the test of time is they'll take the past and they'll make it work for today. Like, I want to say these are like maybe 5 years old, but to take a basketball shoe, which I don't remember how popular this one was, but it looks super cool as a streetwear shoe. Is it like...
Is it branded the same? I mean, is it this or?
It is. It was branded the same. So you have the Flight down here too.
What does it mean for these dots?
Those dots are nothing, but it's these 5 dots here that we're going to look up.
Are the 5 dots on the shoe too?
Right
somewhere?
here.
Oh, dude.
So,
This is a dope pair right here. This is a really dope pair.
yeah, I wear that when I travel in Asia and I get so many comments all the time.
Okay, that's...
Because in China it rains a lot. Robin. Oh, you could ask later. We'll do that in a bit. These down.
On Nikes, what does the 5 dots mean?
Yeah. All right, let's just see what we
What does the 5 dots
have here, right? Hair staff, Fliscape woven, bikinis. You know what? Well, let's jump to the.
So it means...
We'll jump to just let's see what these are. These say yes, please. So I'm just gonna put it in this file. Nike Alpha, the brand's defunct best-in-class performance project. That's the 5 dots.
Okay.
The Nike Alpha. Bring it back. It shouldn't be defunct. It's. I miss it. I'm sure a lot of other people.
What does
Defunct means no longer exists.
Oh, I thought defunct.
Gotta edit that.
Hey, you trying to get our YouTube channel shut down? No cursing. You owe us $1 each.
Yeah. You owe us $1 for that
That's
one,
actually
buddy.
$2, but yeah, $1. So
Okay. Let's kind of go through this, right? This is probably like random stuff here. We got Air Max 95s. My dad, back in the day, like since 1995, he's probably always had a pair of Air Max 95s or Air Max 95s, Air Max 97s, or who remembers those Air Max Tailwinds? Those are the 3 shoes I can only imagine him wearing because that's all he wears today.
Dude, LA born and raised. The game, you'll get shot over a pair of Air Max 95s.
These are dead stock, I swear, but my gosh.
Are you serious?
This is how I pay.
Dude,
I pay in candy I
these
do not
look
need.
toast.
Take one.
They did not survive the heat, and I bet they're not even comfortable to wearing like that bubble. You can squeeze it.
Wow.
This is
But you can tell up here it's dead stock. Air Mawabi. So these were ACGs.
This is my
Oh,
dollar.
wow.
This is my dollar. This is my dollar.
Actually, don't you have the same pair, or it's certainly very close to this? But it's like very close, right?
Are they ACGs? Oh my gosh. Who remembers buying Nike shoes and getting the extra arch support?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Memories. Okay.
We should screw the YouTube video. Let's just make this a feature-length film. We're getting up there. It's gonna be like 2 hours, all said and done.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have to edit.
Okay, so Air Max 2003. So this is when Air Max was making a comeback. And they made a set of Air Max 2003s. They look like golf shoes. Probably get away with them being golf shoes. Actually, these Airs are still good. Yeah, I remember these. I haven't tried to run in them. I was always wondering what was up with this, and I know it's a big thing today. I never personally got into them. New Balance does a lot of these today.
What is
the
the
flat soles?
what is the bag?
It's a velvet Air Max 2003 bag. Can you put this in that pile right there, please?
What is it?
Okay. Air Max 2003. How many more Air Maxes down there? Air Max Plus EC.
Air
Oh,
Max.
there's a
There's
95.
Air Force.
Yep.
There's Air Force.
We're doing a lot better. Like,
No, you're moving now.
I mean, when we went to Boba, we were kind of talking about like it used to be a lot more, and I was kind of sad.
That's 2 Air Force.
Going through it, it's more. I'm just kind of happy I've had them. Another Air Max 95. These, I want to say I picked these up in New York at the Supreme store back in 2000 something, like early 2000s. The colorway kind of throws it there.
Is it actually a Supreme collab?
No, nope. But these were at stores. So black and flame red, Air Max 95. They're not a Supreme collab, but they made this color. So there were some dunks that came out that were black and red. I always call them the Twilight movie dunks. I don't know what they're called. I forgot what they're called. But yeah, I remember that one. So let's see. I think there's one more Air Max 95s. Let's see. Air Max Plus. Oh yeah. Gosh, I remember these shoes.
Dude, these look just like the ones Supreme drops like now. Like Supreme just dropped a pair in like hot pink and
The
neon
Air.
green that looks so close to that.
I mean, guys, these are vintage. Oh, the glue's kind of a little loose, like right there. As to be expected with something 20 years old. Oh, these are hilarious.
This is crazy. I saw those shoes and I'm like, oh, these look very modern and
13th
futuristic.
May 2001.
These are 20 years old.
These are
Wow.
May 13, 2001. Oh, there you go, guys. Oh my gosh. Actually look really good. I probably would wear them today. Okay, so I think we covered whatever Air Maxes I have left. We're gonna do I'm just gonna show these real quick.
Wait,
Another Bay Area legend.
Wait,
Max
what?
Webbin?
Air Maxes?
Air Max, yeah.
Air Max.
Jason Kidd. When he went east to west for ballers, for style. These were Jason Kidd's around
You should make a necklace out of that.
2002.
That's got some weight to it.
Oh yeah. I mean, Jason Kidd and Gary Payton, man. Like, I remember going to San Francisco, Haight Street, and like War Memorial, and just watching them ball AAU or Pro-Am. Like, they used to have battles. Like, oh my gosh.
Wait, Jason Kidd and who?
Gary Payton.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Can we put this over there, please? All right, we're gonna go through some stuff real quick, then we'll get to the Dunks and Air Force Ones. These were my favorite rainy day shoes. Like,
Oh!
Air Kukinis. Who remembers these? They came out in this color and a white and silver. So like
That kind of counts.
those off-whites, those rubber dunks that came out, it came out in that color, that white and silver.
Dude,
What
this
was
is-
great about this shoe was on a rainy day, you don't wear socks and it'll drip on the bottom. So you see a lot of fishing shoes that have this today.
Oh, wow.
I'm not going to say that Nike invented it, or I don't know if Nike took it from the fishing guys. They were my everyday rain shoes.
That is a very cool sole. It looks like a skeleton almost.
Now my luck looks like a rib cage,
Yeah,
but
Yeah.
missing 2 bones.
yeah. And
Like,
then
I was
the,
actually looking for some new Gore-Tex shoes to run in. I might give these a shot. On the back it says run fast.
So what's next?
they look like they'd be comfy too.
Air Force.
Oh yeah, these were so comfy. Okay, we'll bring these over there, please.
What's next?
Max, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you give me a charger?
Get a battery, please. Can you get
I'll get
the turn the battery? All right, let's quickly go through these, right? So we have Air Stab, which I can't remember what it is for the life of me. Oh, ha! If anything screams the early 90s, late 80s, the Air Stab. Who remembers these?
What does
This
that
is
mean? What
obviously
is
a
air
retro.
stab? What is?
It's just an OG Nike shoe. I mean, look at that. Look at the shape. How just straight it is.
Hey, these are OG Prestos. Look at that.
They kind of are. Oh man. I mean, it tells you about technology, right? Like, shoes still have this bottom. I'm gonna skate in these. I am totally going to skate. I'm gonna check the air, and I am totally going to skate in these. So these are obviously a reproduction that happened in, it says 2002 here.
I like your angle on this. You know, your wife tells you you need to sell them, and you're like, but if I actually use them,
Yeah, that could work. Okay.
Dad,
Yes.
I don't know where the battery packs are now.
So you know where Daddy in the top drawer by the TV, Daddy's drawer on the right
Yes,
side
I
on top?
checked.
There should be a white battery there. I'm positive.
The other side?
Okay. You know how Nike has the Fly Knit now? And it's like, it really is comfortable. That all started with their woven series.
dude,
So,
what?
an
This looks
Air
like.
Max 360.
Hold on.
But
What
woven.
is the brand? Bottega.
Oh yeah, Bottega Veneta.
Bottega Veneta is just a freaking Nike knockoff. Look at this.
These are, yeah, I could wear these. I'm gonna rock these too. Jeez. Okay, I don't know about the air, but oh yeah, I could totally rock
This
these.
looks like a lot of work.
Yeah, the hand level of detail that happens in
Oh wow, and this
Nikes
is a
that you
really
can
tall
appreciate.
shoe. If you're short, this is a deceptive shoe. The sole goes all the way up to here. You're adding like a good 2 inches to your height when you rock these.
Men's heels. There we go. Made by Nike.
Thank you, Max.
Like these are really cool. And I remember I had another pair that was darker that I would wear.
Yeah,
And
the belly pants.
super comfortable. Oh, the light.
Every single one was in that drawer.
Okay.
Why have you not seen them?
Didn't know we need them.
We're going to.
Okay.
At our pace, we're going to.
Yeah.
Max is thinking ahead.
Look, we're gonna go through
Yeah,
these
all
real
the other
quick.
ones?
No, we're gonna try to beat the sun going down.
35th anniversary superstars. Someone's gonna have to tell us what year the superstars came out. And they say music here, so these are superstars ones music. I'm kind of curious.
Okay, that's the favorite.
No, they look like Run DMC.
Oh wow.
What's in? Ooh.
Jam Master J, Run DMC.
Hey, Dad.
Dude.
Why did they come with laces? Because they don't need them.
Well, you're missing one. You're missing
I'm missing the white ones. No, the white ones are on. They put in the white ones, or maybe I did.
Yeah, her thank you. They're kind of a
Oh man, there we go.
That's a pretty cool
For the
surprise.
35th anniversary. Okay, lid please. Thank you. I was wondering what the music edition was. I don't remember. Thank you. All right. So one more Superstar 2G. I'm thinking these are just regular ones. Yeah, these are just regular and blue in a size 8. Which, oh, you know what? I remember. I bought these because I was going on vacation. And then Stacy told me, look, we're going to do a lot of walking. It's going to rain. Why'd you buy white shoes? Because everybody knows these are super comfortable to walk in. All right, so we'll just put these aside.
I will evaporate you.
Next, please. Okay.
Oh,
Shall we get to the dunks?
You want to? Well, hold on. Your dunks are your favorite, right? I feel like
Yeah.
you should end on like a high note.
what
So
about that
on the
one?
dunks.
What about
All right,
that
so
one? What about that
who
one?
remembers Methamphibian? Like, Singapore artist used to hand make shoes like back in the day, like.
wait,
true
you really
custom
want to
shoes.
jump into that?
I'm
That's
not
got
gonna
to be
jump into
like,
that. We'll save that to the last. I'm just gonna
yeah.
lead it to it.
Okay.
All right, like he did. I think when, what's that guy? That Billionaire Boys Club guy, right? He commissioned.
Pharrell?
Is it Pharrell?
Pharrell's one part of
Or
that.
the Ben Baller guy, or somebody commissioned Meth to build some custom stuff for him, and he did. But before that happened, he was just another artist making custom Nikes, and he would do drops on his website, like literally limited to 12, like one of each and then done. So I just happened to see the box, and it says Methamphibian
there we go.
here.
Don't
I'm
crack
guessing this is
this
from
one open.
2005, and we'll save this for last.
Yeah, that
We'll save
that
this
looks
for
like a
last.
good one to save for last.